Hi guys, do you want to know how I made this DIY balloon sizer? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how. Hello, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel, FemPMNY. And we're glad to have you here. So for today's video, I'll be making a DIY balloon sizer. Actually, this is requested from one of our subscribers out there. Shout out to you. And this one right here, I got this at the dollar store. It comes in different sizes from 2 inches, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8, 9, and 10 inches. So you use this as a balloon sizer. The thing with this is nice to use, but it's flimsy. So we will DIY this using a cardboard box. So basically you can use this right away, but as I said, it's kind of flimsy and it's hard to hold. So we will do a DIY for a balloon sizer. Okay, with that said, we will start. So basically you need a cardboard. So this is just a regular cardboard box that I use. So you put your one of your balloon sizer. We'll use this as a pattern or a template. So just like that, you just put it here. This is 7 inches, so I will just trace that. Just like that, and then we'll cut. Okay, using your X-Acto blade or X-Acto knife, just trace and make a cut. And then you cut this outside as well. Now I got all of them cut. So now we will just glue this on here. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is we'll glue this using our glue gun. And we set this to high. And just glue this on here. And as I said, it's numbered, so you can see that right there, 10 inches. Just like that, so you do this to all of them. It's very simple and easy to make, and it's very affordable. Alright, so I got them all glued. So the sizes, so this is 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8, 9, and then 10 inches. So as I said, it's numbered right here. So in order for you to see which one is which, I just have to trace this, and I put 2 inches. Just like that. So there you go guys, it's finally done. It's simple and it's easy to make. This is very helpful for your project. So we'll put this to test. We have a balloon here. It's now nice and easier to hold. It's not flimsy anymore. Alright guys, I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemPMNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.